back to the Meet the FPSA member series. Here today with me is Jim from Rexfab. Jim, thank you for being on. My first question for you is, who are you as a company?
Well, Rexfab started off as a sub-supplier for another major manufacturer up in Sherbrooke, Canada. And it evolved into a full after-oven equipment supplier about 15 years ago when Pierre Munir bought the company. It's an exciting time for our company in the fact that we just started the U.S. division about a year and a half ago. I was the first U.S.-based employee. Now we have hired 3 other individuals, a president, a service manager, and a project engineer. And we're in the process of adding capacity in the U.S. to provide stainless steel conveyors and washdown and things of that sort. So a very exciting time to be involved with this growing company.
No, it's sometimes when we see companies come into the U.S. market, they really start to expand. Our energy costs are low, and just the kind of services and the automation that it's just in such desperate need right now. And I'm very excited to have you guys as a member of FPSA, and seeing you guys on screen and your equipment, I just know it's an exciting time to have you guys and be part of your growth and get what you do out to your potential customers. So my next question for you is, how have you made a difference for the customer?
Well, the big push today is labor reduction. It doesn't matter what you're dealing with, the pet food manufacturer, the meat manufacturer, or again, in this case, bakers. They can't get employees. They can't retain them. So we have a current project going on to put in a new Hartman bagel system, which will reduce 2 people off their current system. It will go from there into our other partner, which is an SR pack. This has the capability of doing both corrugated boxes and plastic trays, which makes it unique in the industry. We also have a hand feed station on this because this customer is the top selling food product on QVC for the last 3 years. And they supply these mixed cases. So they had to have this hand feed station. And, they're thrilled to be able to do this. That's eliminating 4 people right there per shift. So we're talking 6 people per shift in reduction of labor. And this is not replacing people. This is for the people they cannot get right now. So the people currently in those areas will be reassigned and probably to an easier task because it's not an easy undertaking.
No, and we've been hearing the issues with labor and the shortages and anything that helps tackle automation like your products. It's making a difference, and those jobs aren't going away. They're just being upgraded in a lot of ways. I heard that you guys have a really cool QR code. Is that right with your equipment?
Yes, that's one of the features we just introduced. Again, we have a new mantra, a committed partnership. And part of that is listening to the customer. And biggest thing is downtime and getting that mechanic the proper tools in an easy manner. By putting this QR code right on the machine, they could scan that machine, the service manual comes up. The downtime history, alarms, all come up at their fingertips.
Wow.
So now they're able to stand right at the machine. They don't have to run back and forth to their shop to find a manual, maybe go to their computer and see what was happening. No, it's going to be right at their fingertips. And again, this will minimize the downtime on the machine. From there, they can also directly call, hey, we have a problem. They could show our technician right there what's happening in real time, and we can jump right in and help with the troubleshooting.
Well, it sounds like what you guys can do for your customers is really bringing them into the 21st century, but also looking at the demands on production and keeping those lines up. It is really terrific. Hey, my last question for you is, why does your company rock?
This company rocks. Again, I've been in the food and the baking industry for 30 plus years. and they approached me. Hey, Jim, we need you. It was nice to hear that. And that's how they make you feel. It feels like a family here at Rexfab. They've embraced me, they've embraced my wife, and they do that with their employees. They're very open about where things are right now and where they're headed. And after working for some other companies for many years, I never heard these things. And to be included, and all employees are included in this. They care about what we do, and they care about their employees as well as their customer. We are committed. It's a good feeling again to be with the company that feels that way.
Yeah, if I were an engineer or sales guy looking for my next step in career, it sounds like Rexfab would be a terrific place to work.
Come on down.
Hey, for those who want to learn more about Rexfab and all the awesome things they do, check out the link in the description. And Jim, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you. And thank you for having me as a member of FPSA. I really appreciate the friendships and helping others when I can.
No, we appreciate you, and I'm glad that we got you on the series. All right, thanks, Jim.